Hello everyone, welcome to the BroSis education. Hope you liked the previous video. If you haven't checked it till yet, you can check in the description below. So in this video, we will cover topics like Prime Factorization and LCM. In LCM, we will learn two methods of finding LCM, that is Prime Factorization and Division method. So let's start the topic. Our first topic is Prime Factorization. Prime factorization is a combination of two words, that is prime plus factors. So prime factorization means breaking a number into its prime factors. Let us take the example. Let the example be 45. Now as we can see that 45 is equal to 5 into 9. But we know that 9 is not a prime number, so it can be split into a product of two prime numbers, that is 3 into 3, and 5 cannot be splitted again, so we will write here 5. So the prime factors of 45 are 5 into 3 into 3. So here 5 and 3 are the prime factors of 45. So let us start one more example, that is 60. As we know that 60 is equal to 6 into 10. But since both of them are composite numbers, so we can factorize them further into prime numbers. That is 2 into 3, and 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So the prime factors of 60 is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 60, and this whole process is known as prime factorization. So now let us start our next topic, that is least common multiple. As the definition says, LCM, that is least common multiple or the lowest common multiple, is the lowest of their common multiples. Let us take the example 8 and 10. Let us start writing their multiples, that is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. And for 10, there are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. As you can see, the first lowest common multiple of 8 and 10 that we brought is 40. So we say that 40 is the LCM of 8 and 10. Start our first way to find LCM, that is prime factorization. In this method we have two steps. Let us understand every step by taking an example. 8 and 10, as we have done earlier. Our first step is to find prime factors. So the prime factors of 8, 4 into 2. Now 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So the prime factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2, and that of 10 are 5 into 2. As both are prime, so we cannot split further. So the prime factors of 10 are 2 into 5. Now the second step says that LCM is the product of the prime factors counted the maximum number of times they occur in any of the number. So we can see that there are only two prime numbers, that are 2 and 5. In 8, 2 comes thrice, and in 10, 2 comes once. So we will write 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. As in 8, there is the maximum number of 2 occurring, that is 3 times. And now we will see of 5. Since 5 do not occur in 8, so the only multiple that 5 has in the prime factorization of 8 and 10 is 1s, that is of 10. So we will write 5 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 40. That is the answer we got earlier. So the LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. So let us take one more example. 6 and 9. As we know, the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3, and that of 9 is 3 into 3. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Now here we have two prime numbers, that is 2 and 3. So LCM will be in the terms of 2 and 3. Now in 9 we have, so now let us start counting the number of prime numbers occurring in each of the following. So in 6 we have 1 time 2 and 1 time 3, while in 9 we have 0 time 2 and 2 times 3. So the maximum number of times 3 occurs in both of the numbers is 2 times. So in LCM we will write 2 times 3, and since in both the numbers 2 occurs maximum 1 time, so we will write here 2. So our, that is 3 into 3 into 2. There is one more easy method to find LCM that I will prefer you to do. That is the division method. Let us take the example 8 and 10. In this method we will first write 10, 8 and make a division chart. Now since the loop that we can start from is 1, but there is no use to divide by 1, so we will start from 2. Now we will write 2 and write the quotient when divided the number by 2, as when 10 is divided by 2 the answer will be 5, and when 8 is divided by 2 the answer will be 4. Now in 5 and 4 we can divide again by 2, but here since 5 do not completely divide by 2, so we will write 5 as it is and we will divide 4 further. Now here 2 and 5 are also prime numbers, so either we can continue our divide or we can just multiply these 4 numbers obtained. So here the LCM will be 2 into 2, 2 into 2, into 5, into 2. That will again come out to be 40. So let us take one more example, that is 6 and 9. So we will write 9, 6. Now since the smallest number that we can start, that is prime, is 2, and 9 does not divide by 2, so we will write 9 as it is and divide 6 further. That will be 3. Now 9 and 3 are both not divisible by 2, so we will not take 2. We will take the next number, that is 3. Now we will divide 9 by 3, that will be 3. And we will divide 3 by 3, that will be 1. So our LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. That will be again 18. In this you have to remember that we can stop the division when either of them are prime or either of them are proprimes. If you have any doubt in any topic being taught in the video, you can comment it. If you like the video, subscribe it, share it and like it to support us. Thank you.